in this video, I will be showing you guys how to do lock petals. Now, I've put these locks into a ponytail so I can show you guys the technique. However, whether your hair is in a ponytail or just hanging out, the technique for doing lock petals is the same. So let's go ahead and get right into it. To do a lock petal, the first thing you want to do is, of course, grab a lock, and it's very simple. So we're basically going to make a loop, just like so. Fold up. You're going to hold the base. You want to hold the base here. Make another loop. It doesn't matter how you hold the base as long as you hold the base every time you create a loop. Okay? Fold it down. Okay? Hold the base. We want to grab a rubber band. And we will be putting the rubber band at the very base of these loops. Okay? Just like so. Secure that. Just like so. Now, what I want to show you guys is the technique that I use to tighten my lock petals. As you can see, it's just kind of hanging here, and I don't want it. I don't want that. I want it to be very firm. So what I do is I just slide it a little bit, just like so. You see that lock right there is what I call the base lock. And you need to locate your base lock in order to tighten your lock petal. So what I do is I hold it just like so, and I simply slide the lock petal down. Okay? See, now it's stiff. It's not like moving all around. And what I want to mention here is, when you are doing lock petals, I know that looking at it right now, you can see the rubber bands and it kind of looks crazy. Understand that when you're doing lock petals, it is a process. So understand that this will not look like this when you're all done. The lock petals will come together like a little bunch, if you will. So just know that it won't look like this forever. If you follow my technique, you will see that it just comes together. So I'll continue. And I'm going to complete this ponytail with lock petals so that I can show you guys exactly what I made. Locate your base lock, pull it out. You saw that one was the one that moved, and just tighten it up, just like so. I'm going to continue. See, there we have another one that's kind of just sticking up. That's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. To each his own. But I've learned that that really doesn't make a difference, nor does it take away from the lock petals. You can't even really tell it's there. Okay, did that. Locating our base lock. We know it's there. Slide it down. We'll go again. How to do lock petals. The first thing you do is grab a lock, fold down once, fold it again, up, fold it again, up, then fold it down. Okay, we're going to hold the hair. We're going to add the rubber band to the base of these petals. You want to make sure that your rubber band is securing every loop that you made at the bottom. And now we're going to locate our base lock. What we do is just tug on it a little. You saw that one was the one that moved, so we just simply slide it down. Just like so. Now, and I also want to mention here that when you're doing lock petals, be sure that you are not putting the rubber band around the base super tight. You don't want to put it on tight. You just want it enough to secure the lock petal, because the tighter you put the rubber band at the bottom, it'll be harder for you to, what I call, tighten up your lock petal. It'll be harder for you to slide it down once you have located your base lock. So put the rubber band on. Boom. Now I'm going to locate my base lock. I'm going to slide it up a little. That one was the one that moved. Now I'm going to slide it down. Slide it right down the base lock. Okay. See, now it's secure. I'm going to continue. Grab a lock. Same technique. Fold down once, fold up, fold down, and then fold up, and fold down, okay? Hold it. Grab you a rubber band on. Okay, just like so. Let's locate our base lock. So what we're gonna do is slide it up. See, that one was the one that moved. We know that's the base lock. We're sliding it down. See how easy that was? Easy peasy donut shop. Continuing. Fold down. Fold up. Okay, fold down. Fold up. And fold down. All right, we're gonna hold it. Rubber band on right at the base. Remember, not too tight. We don't want it to be too tight, just to secure it. We're locating our base lock. We saw that one was the one that moved. We're gonna slide it down. Okay, just like so. Okay, continuing. This is a shorter lock. Still gonna do a lock pedal. Fold down, fold up, and then fold down. This happened to be 2 loops in this particular lock pedal. Same technique though. Rubber band on, just like so. Boom. Our lock pedals just stick up and they're so cute. That's why I tighten my lock pedals up, because I want them to stay into place. And see how it's just fanning out into a little ball. So don't worry about how it looks in the very beginning. Just know at the end, it's all going to come together. Just continue the same technique that I've shown you and how to do lock pedals. And I promise you, at the end of your ponytail or your mohawk or your whole head, if you're doing lock pedals over your head, it's going to come together and it's going to look very seamless and very pretty. Lock pedals. Just like I told you guys in the beginning, you have to trust the process when you are doing lock pedals, that once you are done all of your lock pedals, you will not be able to see the rubber bands. As you can see here, this is a cute little lock pedal bun, okay? And all of those lock pedals came together at the end. And one of the reasons that I tighten my lock pedals up is because I want them to be very stationary. I don't want any of my lock pedals to move. I just want it to stay right where it is. And if you follow the technique that I showed you guys today, I guarantee you every time you do lock pedals, they will come out seamless, just like these. Okay? And it doesn't matter if you're doing lock pedals in a ponytail or you're doing lock pedals on loose hair. Okay? Follow the technique and you will get the exact same results.